and I love you and I love this. I get really greasy hair really quickly. My hair's very long. A lot of shampoos, if it says like, because obviously my hair gets really greasy, so I was like, I use this, I use that, and he was like, well, all of those have volumizing or like thickening like in the name, and in order for the shampoo to like say that, it has to then like leave some form of residue in your hair, which is why my hair was probably getting really greasy really quickly. I used to wash my hair every 2 days. I have washed my hair for the past 2 weeks. I've been using this, I think 2 weeks, maybe even less. I have literally had to wash my hair twice a week. I went from 2 days, every 2 days, to twice a week. That might sound a bit gross to some people, like washing your hair every 2 days, but us gals with a lot of hair, I mean, yes, we know the struggle.